Hi everyone, in this video I wanna show you how to cut metal door jump. For this type of job you can use oscillation tools and also you can use jump saw. Why I'm using jump saw in this job? Because oscillation tools when you cut in some metal frames make vibration and patches and painting, can unstick and need to repaint these corners, but with these tools it's really nice and smooth cutting. This tool is very easy setup. There is two bolts for height adjustment. Just what I'm doing now, I'm just take a piece of laminate floor and take underlayment and screw up the height adjusters bolts to set up flat blade with these laminate pieces. So when I finished it, look, so now I can cut door jump. When you're doing height adjustments for the blade, always unplug these tools from the power. And now you can see this tool in action, how it's easy like butter cut all metal frames. Look at this. To avoid dust flowing around, you can connect this tool with a vacuum. After cutting this metal frame, always check how the floor pieces fit under these corners or frames. If it doesn't fit, just try to cut one more time. If its floor fit very well, just cut another side. If this video was helpful for you, you can check my channel. There is a lot of videos with some tricks and tips. It's fit for if you're doing first time installation or you're professional. So please subscribe and come to my video channel and my videos again. Thanks for watching.